Yan, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Bigyan po natin ng isang minutong katahimikan para sa mga naipit kay AREIT yesterday. Biro lang. Pero yeah, AREIT yesterday bumagsak po. Teka lang ha. Kunin ko yung numbers ni AREIT. Sorry. Yeah. Asan yun? Watcher. Ayun. Ticker yan. Si AREIT kahapon open at 27, umakyat hanggang sa umpisa, umakyat pa ng 27.25 and then close at 24.90 for a loss of negative 7.78 pesos. I mean 7.78%. Yun yung bagsak ni AREIT kahapon. Let me know, naipit ba kayo kay AREIT or anong nangyari sa inyo kay AREIT? Or were you okay with AREIT? Yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, hintayin muna natin yung audience. Please share the video. Paki-share po yung video sa mga trading, mga groups ninyo so that yung mga newbies doon makasali naman sa discussion natin ngayon. At magabayan po natin with trading. Especially ito, hot topic yesterday kay AREIT. At si Call Financial kahapon nangyari. Diba? Nangyari kay Call Financial. Kahapon, kailangan, kunin ko nga yun, may linabas si Call Financial na kahapon na tawag nito, advisory. Bakit hindi sila makapag-trade kay AREIT kahapon? Kahapon, yes. Ang dami tuloy naipit. I'm not sure saan yun. At may announcement yun sila. But anyways, sige lang, alam ko na naman yun. Hindi ko nahanap. Right, let me go to the comments really quick. Lang ha. Ready ko lang itong audio. Yan. So, comments muna tayo. Hops, good morning. Edgar Galang, good morning sir. Long time no daily grind. Totoo po yan. Yeah, it's been a while since we did a daily grind. Medyo nawalan ako ng gana nung na nag-COVID kay daily grind. Because, alam naman natin na bagsak ang markets. We were looking at a global pandemic. So, I didn't want to invite, really, I don't want anyone to trade during that time. So, wala namang gaanong action sa markets din noon. Nagko-close yung mga market, etc. So, yan. Tsaka medyo na-busy ako. Nag-entrepreneur mode ako, tsaka daddy mode. Kakapanganak lang ni partner ko kasi. Diba? Anyways, yun. Now we're back. Markets are looking well with the vaccine kay kay COVID. Marami ng under development and in testing phase looking good na. So, yeah, market should be looking well, especially tayo sa Pilipinas na nasa baba pa yung market natin. Pero, ang dami pa rin ang dami pa rin, what do you call this, ang dami pa rin factors bakit ayaw gumalaw ng Pilipinas sa stock exchange compared to the international market na nagre-resistance na naman ngayon ang international market. If ever hindi nyo pa po nakikita, let's open charts ngayon. Punta tayo kay Nasdaq. NSDQ. Yan, sila Nasdaq 100. Tingnan niyo po ang charts, international markets. Right? So, this is super high na, right? Nag-ano na siya ngayon, nagre-resistance natin 11,205 is SPX 500. Sila SPX 500. Let's look at the chart of SPX 500. Yan, nagre-resistance na. Well, tayo sa PSE nasa baba pa rin, 'di ba? So many factors there. That's why I've been inviting you guys sa international market because mas madali i-trade doon. Our markets right now are not looking well for trading. But anyways, alam ko marami sa atin dito nagsimula sa PSE. So we're still focusing on PSE in our discussion. And if ever gusto niyo po sa international market, you can always join us in the international market discussions. Anyways, ito si AREIT kahapon. Pulang-pulang, malaking pula. Right, 7.78% for AREIT. Drop yesterday, bumagsak po ng 2 piso from its opening. So, yes, yan. Suzette Yanesa, good morning. Rugine Balagot, good morning. Edgar Galang, kumusta Sir Lloyd? Ba't ang tagal na walang daily grind? Something happened? Wala naman. I was on an entrepreneur mode. Started something na para pangontrang pandemic, right? So, ayan. So, gumawa kami ng negosyo. Anyways, yun. kumustahin natin si AREIT. Ano ba nangyari kay AREIT? Bakit naging ganito si AREIT kahapon? Diba? Biggest factor kasi, yan, pagsimulan natin, the biggest factor for AREIT, bakit nagkaganito si AREIT is, yung market yesterday, if you looked at it, if tingnan nyo po kahapon yung market, walang bumibili kay AREIT. Even international brokers international buyers are out. Usually, yun yung nagpapagalaw ng prices natin. And AREIT has a huge market cap, so mahirap pagalawin ito ng mga buyers. And if makikita nyo po kahapon, net foreign selling tayo sa kanya, negative 400 million kaagad yung net foreign selling niya. Yung net yan ha. So, including the buying, mas malaki ang selling kay REIT. Kaya, bumagsak siya, especially the foreign sellers. Okay, plus, kahapon, wala pa yung mga call financial players. Alam ko, malaking percentage ng mga newbies and mga traders, nasa call financial din, diba? Kasi doon nagsimula ang karamihan. Call financial, yesterday, nangyari. Diba? Hopefully, matulungan kayo ni Call Financial about that. Because si My Trade kahapon, nagka-bug sila, nagka-issue sila. May mga traders na hit na yung stop loss nila, pero hindi na-execute. So, ko-compensate ni My Trade yon, which is a very noble thing for My Trade. Kudos to them. Babayaran nila yung mga tao pa rin kahit na hindi nabenta yung stocks nila. So, tatanggalin nila sila magbabayad sa mga tao with sa stocks nila. So, negative si My Trade yan, but that's a very noble thing to do sa mga constituents mo. Kay Call Financial, mukhang track record wise, mukhang TY yun eh. Thank you na lang yun. I think yung mga gusto magbenta kay Call, wala, tatanggapin na lang natin yung losses ninyo. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. But anyways, sabi kasi ni Call Financial, their explanation yesterday was meron silang misunderstanding with the requirements with PSE. Kaya hindi sila na-allow to trade AREIT on their platform. So, yung mga may AREIT yung mga nabentahan nila ng AREIT sa platform nila, hindi mabenta. For example, ako, may Call Financial ako, bumili ako ng AREIT noong offer. So, meron akong AREIT yesterday, gusto ko ibenta sana, pero hindi ko mabenta because my broker is not allowed to trade it. So, patay tayo dyan. Swerte lang na negative 7 lang ito. What if bumagsak pa ito ng malaki, diba? So, kawawa naman yung mga traders na nasa Call Financial. Hopefully, Call Financial does something about this to compensate people, but I doubt. Salamat, Call Financial. Alright, so Tesla sir, nakasabay ako noong 13% up pa siya. Hold pa din ako. What do you think, sir? Thank you. I think Tesla is very good. Congratulations. Ang taas na ni Tesla. Let me open this, Launch Pro charts tayo. Si Tesla, grabe. Even si Apple. But Tesla, check out Tesla. Yan, sobrang taas na ni Tesla. There's a strong resistance kay Tesla at these levels already. We're seeing na si Tesla, may resistance na kay Tesla dito around this level. I think Tesla is gonna be dropping anytime soon. Tesla is overpriced. Pag may nakita kang pula dito, Edgar, pwede mo na ibenta some dito, right? Pag naputol na yung trend, saka mo ibenta lahat. Right? So, I think malaki na yung kita mo dyan. Stay food, salamat Call Financial. Abang ako sa 20 pesos. Si AREIT, there's a possibility. Yan yung pag-uusapan din natin ngayon. So, what do we expect from AREIT? Anytime soon, tingnan natin. Dapat refund na lang ng call from Suzette Yaneza, call user here. Okay, so, dapat i-refund ni call. Yun yung ginawa ni, yun yung ginawa ni My Trade. So, kinain nila yung losses just to do good sa mga tao na nagambala, or what do you call that in Tagalog, who were inconvenienced by the system kay My Trade yesterday. Si Call Financial, Dapat at either not refund or I'm not sure kung ano, pero they should do something about it, right? Kasi ang hirap gusto mo magbenta pero hindi mo mabenta, 'di ba? Let's say you're already only targeting 5% of loss or 3% losses, and then you're planning to sell it. Yun, naging -7, sira yung plans ninyo. So, and then hindi pa sure kung makaka-trade yan today. It will take time for PSE to review the requirements again. So, most probably next week na yun makaka-trade si call again. Pag bumagsak pa ito lalo today, sorry. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Si call, yun yung problema kay call. Anyways, ayun. What do we expect from AREIT the next coming days? Hindi pa natin alam kasi wala pa yung isang majority player na isang reason is wala pa kasi si Cole. What if maraming gustong bumili by the time si Cole ang makabalik si Cole at nagmura na si AREIT, right? So, yan. Isa yan sa parameter, right? Isa sa reason din, nakikita ko na rason bakit bumagsak si AREIT is because checking out its what do you call this, possible dividend for this year. We are only looking at 4.5 to 5% for this year na dividend sa kanya. Okay? That is very good already for its IPO price na around, kano ba yung IPO price niya? 27, di ba? So, IPO price niya, 27. Ano to? 4.5% from that IPO price is not bad, di ba? It's just that there are companies, if you say about dividend play, yes, okay, kaso nga lang napaka-konti lang ng demand for it right now. Okay? Kasi merong mga companies na mas malaki pa ang mabibigay na dividend for this year compared kay AREIT. Isa yun sa rason. For example, si Nickel, si Nickel, hindi si FNI. Si Nickel is giving out 7.8% na dividend for this year despite the pandemic. So, if there are investors na looking for dividend plays, they would go for Nickel instead of for AREIT for this year, 'di ba? Mas mataas doon. So, if they will diversify to this, they should be diversifying to this. Magda-diversify man sila. Yes, meron demand for this for a bit. Pero not enough demand to sustain the price. Konti lang na talaga ang demand because of the market being bearish. Konti lang investors sa atin. Foreign investors are not that into Philippine Stock Exchange right now because ang ganda ng international market. So, doon sila, kung saan ang pera, doon sila nag-i-invest. Mamaya pa na yan sila papasok pag bumabagsak na doon. Lilipat nila yung pera nila kung saan may magandang possibility for growth. Saka tayo makakita ng possible growth for stock market. But then again, so many factors right now, especially that the country is battling against oligarchs. So, natatamaan yung mga legit na businesses. So, natatakot yung mga investors. So, that's one factor also that's causing for foreigners not to invest in the country as of the moment because they don't know what is gonna happen in our society, in the market, in the stock market right now. Okay, let's go to the comments. Naku, si Cole pa, parang hindi naman sila nagbibigay ng sa mga investors nila. Yeah. Tama. So, looking at it, I don't think Cole is gonna compensate anything. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. All we can do is pressure Cole about it. Pero, sayang. Haba ng prep nila, may deadline pa, nalalaman ng subscription, tas ganun lang sa trading day. Sura. I'm not sure what Sura means, but yeah, I don't think that's good. So, Seth Yaneza, yung friend ko, ipapatulfo daw sila. Dapat, if ever ayon lang pakinggan, PSE is not doing anything about it, yeah, patulfo nyo po anything that can pressure them about it. I don't think it's fair for the investors to suffer this. Ang dami nangyari noon. Ang daming naipit. Pinaka malaking story kay Cole was yung kay Now noon, nung nagbagsakan na si Now, nanuwala sila. So, mga tao hindi nakapag-cut loss. Let me check out the chart of Now kung makita pa natin yon. Alright. So, yung historical drop ni Now from here, eto dito. So, from from the peak, tingnan natin price range. From the peak, bumagsak hanggang dito, that was negative 54% galing sa tuktok. From 19, bumagsak to 9 pesos. Right? Halos more than half na bagsak. So, around this level, dapat nakapag-cut loss na yung mga, maraming call na bumili dito sa 19, right? Pero around this level, dapat nag-cut loss na sa mga 19, 18. Pero si call nag-hang hanggang bumagsak, hanggang 10 pesos, hindi nakapag-cut loss sa mga tao, naipit na mga tao. Ang daming naipit. So, what if bumalik siya the next coming days hanggang dito, pero wala na, ang laki talaga ng losses. What if hindi bumalik? Lalo, 'di ba? So, walang compensation nangyari, nag-sorry lang sila. Anyways, ang dami kong we had to console many traders there. Ano ba dapat gawin nila, etc. So, wala tayong magawa. Walang si call for those kinds of incidents. So, yeah. Ipatulfo na natin. May buntag Sir Lloyd, long time no see from Cecil Pange. Good morning, Cecil. Ayan. And what are we gonna be expecting for Call Financial and then, not Call Financial. Yeah, for AREIT the next coming days. I think babagsak pa siya. With that sudden drop yesterday, this simply means that it's gonna be on a downtrend for the meantime. Okay? But nonetheless, don't worry sa mga kumuha ng AREIT. If you watched our discussion about AREIT with Stocks Ed and Mr. Arnel Pepito, a friend of mine who's a broker, we talked about it in our live discussion, di ba? We said, sabi ko specifically, AREIT is a good asset, right? It's a good new asset that you should be exposed on. So if I were you, kasi hindi natin alam mangyayari nito on the trading day, on the release of AREIT, baka bumagsak di ba? So, what I told during that discussion is, buy some on the IPO, and then if it goes further down, then start nyo i-bodega, because in the end, it's still a very good asset class to be involved in your portfolio. You have to be exposed in this. I would strongly recommend you expose yourself to this. May nagsabi na dito na abang kay 20, si stay foot lang. Mag-aabang siya sa 20. If it reaches 20, that's a good entry point for the dividend that it's gonna be giving you. So, yes, buy some at 20 pesos. But, pero, ganito. I strongly said this during the discussion about AREIT before kayo bumili ng AREIT. AREIT is basically an asset that you don't consider for trading. So, I don't recommend AREIT for trading talaga. Look at it at the long term, at the dividend play, dividend strategy, perspective in your portfolio. So, kahit na mag-negative yan, hayaan nyo lang po. Kasi, in the long term, pag maganda yung takbo ng economy, ng coronavirus, pag may mga vaccines na tayo, it should recover. And one of the most resilient na mga asset class talaga ever since is the property real estate na what do you call this, industry natin. So it's a very good asset to be safe with. Looking at the assets inside the AREIT, kumikita naman sila. So at the very least, sa dividends, kikita kayo dyan. So every time it dips down, I strongly recommend you buy some. Budagahin nyo po sa baba. Okay? So Cecil Pange, yan, may buntag Sir Lloyd, nabasa ko na pala ito. So, what are we gonna be expecting kay AREIT? I'm expecting for AREIT to go on a downtrend for the meantime. Okay? Magda-downtrend muna yan, I believe so. And then, it will settle at a price. And then, once it settles, right, pag nagsimula na siya mag-settle, hanapin natin yung support. That is where we start buying some at the support. Kung gusto nyo talaga makatipid, i-pressure nyo ng buying dito sa support. And then, meron kayong buy some din sa taas-taas. Just in case hindi makababa sa support talaga. So, maglagay kayo ng order sa support. And then, let's say for example, 20 na yung support. Yung presyo naglalaro sa 20.50, 20.30. You buy some at those levels. Pero meron din kayong buying na malaki-laki sa 2.0. At least ma-pressure naman doon at umangat yung presyo kung meron kayo doon. Kung bumaba man, then you can accept some there. Okay. yun yung kay AREIT and kay Call Financial na pag-uusapan natin today. International market, tingnan natin sa international market ha, SPX 500, the biggest market in the US. I don't recommend na pumasok pa kayo sa international market right now because nagre-resistance na ang nasa markets. Markets are overpriced compared to the GDP of US right now. We're looking at the US market. Yung presyo niya ngayon compared sa GDP ng US with what is happening with the pandemic, sobrang overpriced na ito. Warren Buffett even said na it's already on a stock market bubble. So, ingat sa mga pagbili ng mga stocks sa international market kasi sobrang mahal na. Dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang mura. Di ba? Mas maganda pa tingnan dito. But, here in the international market, the good thing about here is, if ever marunong ka mag-trade, if you think the stocks are gonna go down in the next coming days, then you can always short sell this. Di ba? So, kahit na bumabagsak yan, pwede kang kumita dyan. If ever wala kayong oras or it's gonna be hard for you kasi madaling araw nagto-trade ito dito, strongly recommend you just do copy trading instead. If ever wala pa kayong account sa eToro, meron po diyang link sa video description. Please use that link in creating an eToro account. Mag-copy trade lang kayo. I recommend this guy, J Nemesis. Isa yan sa mga diniscuss ko the past few days na discussion natin. Update sa kanya, 48.76 na yung port niya for this year. Right? He's already up 48.76. May nag-message sa akin kagabi, Sir Lloyd, kung nag-copy trade ba ako, guaranteed ba yung 48.76? Hindi po guaranteed yan. Right? Past performance of a trader is not a guarantee that it will ganito rin yung performance in the future. But look at his performance natatakpan yung mukha ko eh. But look at his performance last year. It's up 52.32. So far, if we base his performance in 2020 with that, ang ganda ng performance niya, di ba? 48.76 na siya. Nasa August pa lang tayo. So, there's a high chance na ma-beat niya yung performance niya last year. That's very good. That's why I'm recommending this guy. Recommend ko lang siya. Please do process on your own yung data na binibigay ko sa inyo. Please check it out. But nonetheless, etong statistics dito is very good data for you. That's why I am confident in recommending him. But then again, everything boils down to you. I did recommend this guy early in this year, and then ayan po siya, umaakit na tumaakit. So congratulations kayo sa mga kumopya kay J Nemesis noon. So if ever wala kayong oras or mahirap para sa inyo mag-trade, okay, nag-aaral pa lang kayo, wag niyo po sasayangin yung pera niyo at i-trade niyo by yourself at mawawala lang yan. So just copy trade your money for now, and then you can always practice on the virtual portfolio of eToro to trade on your own. Mag-practice muna kayo. Who knows, right? Kasi mas magandang process yan. So while you're practicing, you're earning at the same time. It's gonna be building your confidence instead. Instead na nagpa-practice kayo na walan kayo ng pera, mag-quit na lang kayo, right? So this is a very good development strategy for you guys. Again, if you wanna create an eToro account, please create an account using my link andyan po sa video description. Malaking tulong po yan sa channel natin. Alright, may comment dito. Edgar Galang, what if mag-breakout, sir, yung international market? Good pa din po ba? I'd say the international market is already overpriced. Pwede rin para naman siya mag-breakout, but I don't see any sense of it breaking out kasi mahina mahina yung mahina talaga yung economy ng US right now Okay? Pero kung mag-breakout, there is still opportunity for you to trade in that market. Anyways, price action tells everything, diba? Kung nag-breakout, then there's opportunity in it. It's just that pag nag-breakout ito ngayon, mas doble yung dapat pagbabantay ninyo because it's at a critical level. Pwedeng mas malaki ng chances na mag-false breakouts kasi at those level. So pag mag-breakout man, makaset ka ng trading there, there's still opportunity to earn in that. It's just that you need to put more time in watching it. Doble na yung pagbabantay mo because critical na yung levels na yan. Okay? That's for Edgar Galang. Annalyn, should we copy open trades? Yes po. I strongly recommend you copy open trades because if a trader is still holding the assets, that means he still believes that those assets are gonna go up still. Okay? So, yes, I strongly recommend you copy open trades para gumalaw kagad yung pera ninyo. Okay, and I want to announce this until po August 22, those na mga nag-create ng account sa eToro under my link, if hindi pa kayo nagfa-fund, if you fund within August 22, you will be makakatanggap po kayo ng $50 bonus from eToro. Ngayon ko lang in-announce yan, but yes po, you will get $50 bonus pag nag-fund po kayo if you created the account under my link. Para lang po ito sa mga accounts na under sa akin until August 22. If you decide to fund, you will get $50 bonus. Okay? So, good news po yan sa inyo. Alright, so that's it for today's discussion. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari sa market ngayon. AREIT, wag nyo munang bibilhin. Let's wait for it to settle down first and create a support at the very least para magsimula tayong mag-test buy. If we have support already, test buy. Wag muna maging aggressive. Don't go all in. And then if it starts an uptrend, that's where we start to go aggressive in putting money. If ever iti-trade mo nyo man sa AREIT. I strongly recommend AREIT is for dividend and long-term gameplay. So every time it dips, just buy more, just buy more, just buy more, just buy more. Yun yung re-recommend ko po talaga kay AREIT sa inyo. That's it for today. I'll see you again next week. Ayan, Friday na pala tayo ngayon. So next week, hopefully si Call Financial ayos na at makagalaw na yung mga may AREIT kay Call Financial next week. Abangan natin yan. See you on Monday for the daily grind. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye everyone! Don't forget to subscribe and share and like the video pag nagustuhan niyo po yung video natin ngayon. Bye po!